Well, there we go. I'm doing a semi-unboxing of our Neuspeed front mount intercooler for the Golf R. It did come with instructions, but you can find them PDF online. Come with beautiful hoses. Looks like made by Neuspeed. This is like melted onto your high quality hose. Oh my god. This is looks like multiple ply, like 4-ply or 5-ply. Very silicone hoses. You know these are stronger and better than the factory rubbers. And of course that beautiful. We opted for the heated black treated intercooler. It's more of a sleeper, like my honey's taste. And it also reflects the heat a lot better too. Let me get this out. Oh, there it is. It's out. Thing's pretty massive. I don't know how many inches this is, but it's pretty large. Here's your average Samsung TV remote, I guess, for perspective. What really nice coating on here. You see the shine and everything on that. Thick bar plate intercooler. The tank. Beautiful welds. Even has the Neuspeed embossed logo in the steel on the end tanks. Oh, those beautiful tabs for installation. Oval tip. You can see inside the side there, you got the bar plate action inside there. The heat treated. It's very nice. Yeah, this is a nice intercooler. Let's look at the hardware that's in there. Oh, there's the other end of the silicone hose. That goes on the other end. Right there. I already opened this earlier just to have it open so I can reveal. Well, it comes with insulation pieces. Oh, that's your self-tapping screw piece, I guess, to put in the these installation hardware right here. I'm sure these are what's going to go here on the ends of those. It looks like you get some other brackets and whatnot. Oh, you got the caps to seal off the factory stock intercooler. So your factory stock intercooler remains dormant. I mean, that's not going to add any extra weight or anything. Some people might go, well, why don't you just pull that out or something? They include the kit to cap it. Oh, and these are high quality. Oh my lord. These, if you know in the turbo world, these are awesome. These are T-bar clamps compared to your standard clamps. These will guarantee your hose not popping off. That is awesome. Include that right there. There's a couple of tie straps. That's probably for those. Got some more hardware here. What is in this? Here. Ah. Yes, I've seen this in the instructions earlier online. These install onto your bumper. How they fill it. They're very hefty, sturdy pieces. Well, that's nice. Again, a Neuspeed stamped on there. Seal of approval. Made in the USA. America. But yeah, that looks like the whole kit right there. Oh, there's one that plopped out there. Very nice. Oh, it looks like it's got the hook end tabs, so they slide into place inside the car somewhere. I saw a couple of install videos already out there, so I'm not gonna make one. But yeah, this is nice. Sturdy. Let me see. This probably weighs I don't know, like 15, 18 pounds maybe. 15 or so pounds. Keep things cool. Anyways, thanks for watching.